the bearings in our steering are a little crunchy, so they need replacing. We need to first get this wheel off, and once that's off, then we kind of just go up the ways here. Okay, next step is to remove all the items on the forks. So I'm going to get the speed sensor up, the caliper off, a couple of fasteners, ABS fender, and then the handlebars. Can't wait to be doing this kind of stuff in the summer. Get some beers, get some tunes going. But it's still early in the day and it's kind of chilly, so it's a little different atmosphere. Guys, where shall we put this? Alright, so I need to take the ABS, which means I need this little fella. Little ABS sensor. It's a good time to get everything clean. It's very dirty. And now the caliper has to come off. We don't want to hang it from the brake line. Again, patience. I just stuck with it. Okay, there we go. Happy day. That was a fail. Yay, I got more zap straps. And now we just need to get the fender off. Both fenders. So speaking of fender, I got these risers. You see? In here. And on that side there. So it brings it up just a little, which gives me a bit more clearance in between the tire and the fender. Got to keep everything organized. Need to get the top fender off. Got these guys under here. This is where our bottom one was. So it's all pretty simple stuff so far. Undo 1 volt, undo 2, undo 3 volt, 4 volt, 4. Okay. Aha, yes. Okay. Alright. Let's take a minute here. Let's just assess what happened. Going a little too fast. So these little guys fell out of the fender. They go in. Yeah. They go in these holes. And I'll show you our fourth one here. See this guy here, this is our 4th bolt. It's got to go through washer. It's got to go through this, which is holding your brake line on. Alright, so now we need to get our forks off, which means we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then drop our forks. The loosening of these was very difficult. They were all very tight. I have a feeling that one of the bolts broke when we were loosening it. Now it's cold out, so that's not helping. I tried to heat it up with a hair dryer, and that seemed to help a bit, but alright, speed this up a little. As you can see, we've loosened enough. Now the fork is dislodged itself from up top, and it'll just slide through. So we're going to take this one off, and then we're going to do it with the other side. Slide this out. Alright. One fork. As suspected. Let's see if I can get it out just. Oh man, eh? Yep. That is one snap bolt, folks. That's kind of a, bummer. But I probably should have gotten it a bit warmer maybe before I tried to loosen them. I mean, you can't see in here, but boy, the Loctite that they used, it's pretty crazy. So, alright, so now we need to get the handlebars up and off our steering crown. So we gotta undo these and these two. We'll just lift it up. Just got this loosened, which means we have to take this out. Anyways, big bolt is off. There's a special tool to handle something like this. I do not have that special tool, so this is at least you feel lens up. That's appreciative. Note to self, don't leave camera on bike when hammering. Too bad. Okay. We gotta check this out. Alright, so here we have it. Okay, now we're gonna go down here. This is gonna be, hey, I'm actually fairly impressed. Let's just bring this down here. Wow, they don't feel too bad, but let's feel inside here. So yes, this, it's not looking too bad. So it's probably holding it sealed, but maybe it was just the bearings were fatigued. Let's see what our top ones. I don't know. It's not too bad, but definitely get that cleaned out. Let's feel the top right here. It actually has more bumps than the bottom. Right then, let's get her packed up and get inside. It's getting cold. How do we do that? It just pops back. And there you have it.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?